Hi everyone, welcome back to Kodi Hunter RJ. Today, I'll be reviewing an incredible Kodi add-on called Plex Live. If you're looking for a reliable way to stream international live TV channels, this add-on might just be perfect for you. This add-on is packed with features and focuses on providing live TV channels from Australia, Canada, Mexico, New Zealand, Spain, and the USA. It's a simple and effective solution for anyone who wants to enjoy live TV content from multiple regions. Let me quickly walk you through what Plex Live offers. Live TV channels. A wide range of basic live TV options, making it ideal for news, entertainment, and more. My Channels section. Bookmark your favorite channels for easy access. Search functionality. Quickly find what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. Smooth streaming. The streams work very well, provided you have a stable internet connection. Now, if you're excited to try out Plex Live, I've got some good news. Instead of diving into all the installation steps here, I've created detailed instructions on my website. Simply click the link in the description below to visit the guide. It's a step-by-step process that's super easy to follow, and you'll have Plex Live installed on your Kodi in no time. Before you start streaming, I'd also recommend using a secure connection to protect your online privacy. There's a special deal linked in the description below. Make sure to check it out and keep your streaming safe. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Kodi add-on reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!